What up, y'all? Today's video, I'm going to talk about my gun work area. Just kind of where I like work on my guns, clean them. This is the table. I'm going to switch the camera around so that's easier to see. Alright, here we are. As you can see, I got my AR lower just sitting here. Have a video on that if you go to my channel of me building this. It's like a fourth of the way done, probably, if I don't know. But yeah, so I got a bunch of equipment here. Like I got a one gun cleaning kit right here with some pretty good stuff in there. I use that a lot. That's in that for sure. And down here I got even more gun cleaning stuff. I got these cleaning patches. Got a couple bore snakes, one for the 20 gauge shotgun, and got this one for the 30-06. I like bore snakes. They're pretty useful for cleaning out the barrel. Some gun oil here, and I actually just recently picked this up. This is a lens cleaning tool for scopes and whatnot. I wiped down my crossbow scope with this. So yeah, I like that. It was only a few dollars at Dick's, so I picked that up not too long ago. Then I got this other gun cleaning kit. Hard to hold the phone and open it up. It has a lot of the same stuff as the other one. The main reason I have two of them is because I do trap shooting. I'm on a trap shooting team. Me and my brother actually are, and this is where we come down and clean our shotguns afterwards. And then over here I got well, there's not really much in there, but down here is all the gun parts and stuff. So I have a couple bags of AR parts. That's lower receiver stuff. This is a trigger spring, I believe, in there, and this is just a thing that came on top of my magazine here. It was just stuck on the top of the, so I kept that. And this is a upper parts kit I haven't even opened yet, because as you can see, I haven't even started on the upper yet, but those parts are definitely going to be useful with the dust cover, and yeah, those are the first couple parts to go on the upper, I'm pretty sure. And then this is parts to the Savage Axis, if you remember my video on working on that. That's the original trigger spring in there, and there's just some lube for like lubing up like moving parts and whatnot. I used that on my Savage for like the trigger and whatnot. But yeah, that's where I keep all of my parts for guns. And this little thing here is actually pretty useful for holding things in place. Like, say I had my AR here and wanted to tighten that down to work on my AR. That kind of failed, but but I only have one hand, so yeah. it might work better to you know, place it up right, but again, I only have one hand. But yeah, I just figured that'd be kind of a cool thing to show y'all, and I'll see y'all next time.